Banding na naman kami. Hi guys, this is our first day. Nanay na KO. What's in my folder? The nurse's licensure examination test frame. But on sorry guys, guide to PRC 5. T-shirts. Pero binayran. Bili siya. Pilan ako nag-raffle. Wala dito nakakuha kong t-shirt. Para na ana. That's all. Para na siya ang nasa purple envelope. Bonding with my family.
Sa katalahin ko lang sir. Okay?
Yay! Hindi makita. Ito pag-vlog. Nana. Oh, na-open siya. Adara, open. Unya. Adara. Nasa may front, ani, o back. Uy, guys. Guys, late na po ko. It's still the third day, but I'm late again.
Yun nga lang, sobrang dami kong mga kaibigan na mga nurses o your exclusion or your splitting reflects mga nurses is your for.
Hi guys, this is day 4. And katugon kayo ng movie. Charis! Dahil si Mariel! Sara akong na-realize sa review. Manambok ko guys. Snacks na food ko. Siguro ko kaon. I'm gonna get fat.
Is usually caused by STDs. Anong STD? Gonorrhea. Kasi at birth, but this is under your VAD. Ano yung VAD?
5th day. Snack time.